Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi. Na gukwanira umwanju murigereria ndonsi asoberete Chinsa Ikomi chabona magoroba engakine ariganire kuruga igase studio egerenkoretera mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ekerobono nkogotebya ogendere gutubwatia gwetera Chinsa yemitandao Ndizi TV News ensemeli ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News ensemeli ya YouTube. Oigo na bogoto tweet @Ndizi TV News. Nkuira nande asegekeke kirobosyo egerenko manyinga nararea na kwariganirie Chinsa ya bono. Ncheni gonkuru kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita amatuka make atigarete eliaborokigwa banyari kuigura chiskuru cyabo asentunde ntangani yo mwako yoiga abayiboli niko babuli weko bamaiso na kwerobelia bwikirano chinga kyaborokigwa bakwirana ase chisukuru okwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV emambia ya lero umudirector w'ekiskuru cha Olympic Academy aselieta Zakari Nyamatali niko bona bolyo kubwaterana weika gokorekane gati ya baiboli aborokia amona aborokiwa elikwenakia ogokina w'ekisemi aseliro bali tolia gusi no nyenkenya yonse
Ndusa director w'ekiskuru cha Olympic Kisii County naleko basabira abana baito baro chukerna chiskuru bwaro sengenjo weekend chiskuru mpo igurukire nonya chigo chigurura se engaki kero maybe mangana usafiri atari Amayia igo twegene tenga weekend ndanyale usafiri yaberengia era gusabira abana kwera no kuyago cha chiskuru naende bamanyangeta mweye gochikabenke mono babwatira namona nabari mbabo ande bakoromokia ande batwara discipline sengenjo kumyakia matukara make aya tugwata setamu inaso mwakoyo na gosabera abayiboli na barabo bororo ke bakwene abana ba school ne chifisi ngitakeire pero oberi ase wiki yego chaiga bamanyanga abana kwere na bale ande bamanyanga mbinto kibitakeire bamanyanga abana bakolete ji assignment cyabo chifisi cyabo nchiakanire abana mbaike school ande bangekolekana chinchira awoncho kananga bakora tegento gete ko sembara ikere ni binto gete bane bechiskuru cha Olympic asichiabeta na mbiyamana ntwa cooperate so mwako yo erete ndagato jako mwako moye tubwatira namana bakane chifisi yabo na ndo manyangi getakeire na bayuli mbara abange batakete ko join Olympic mabagana aromake tra nyari ko to admit abana
Chinga kiechecho niko Nyamatali aene kirebune chine chinga kichia siasa asenseito ya Kenya asabolira bana siasa gokora siasa chiabo no molembe na kuralio molembe boigo nigo abolira bana siasa tibaba isa koira siasa weika ase chinsemo chiskuru asengencho nigo baraba isa goswanana na masomo ya barokigwa chinga kia matuka makatigaire eli chiskuru kuigurwa
soka class 8 abagusikera batangana kurukerase ngagusi number 1 mugusi number 2 batali gusi yaita ande na watu arabuya gatoko sabero mugusi obuya uwarora tobatera chisemje bikine ya siasa ncherere engaki ya siasa toko tuara chimba an satanity anane sengenjo ye culture ya siasa neje chikura lakini twale batebanga abanya siasa aba gotagetoko tora batora sikinse amachi chionsi asoko twara discipline anane mbaba isa kabangana bagosegeta emeburukano na basegeta gisegi era basa kuburukania chingaki chikura nona abana baito mbagotwara murembe go gasaba maji sukuru naende kera bakora chikampeni cyabo bakikore asenchera ya masikani batari koramana ande batari kuogerera kera gisukuru ngitageta murembe ndagite kuigurio gyasi gisukuru gose gocha gukora siasa ngene gisukuru gose ko inikare cyabana ko baterera chinjira gweta libagango bakari gisukuru bakora masomo abo so tutagite go discourage sana mwana siasa onde kwenzi oraga ni gutumia crowd ky'abana ngana kyakorera siasa.
Abamenyi bensemo ya Nyagisai egotoka somo baga bwechi ward cha Nyakoe amona bogeka sensemo ya Kitutu chache South county ya Kisii anene mono abana boda boda na batumeki bepara yansemeyo nigobono bamochirie abarayikorwa sensemeyo aso gutabaro seria epara asengencho teli weteka egento kyabeire merememe kongu asa batumeki bepare yo nigolitikolia rero bakorokorubekana ko morembe asabanyara ko baba roselia na kweremera epaleyo asabatebire bunaba na siasa nigo babere bakobangaina egento bono batararoseliwe para goika bono nigo babolirie abasamaria baya amonna barai ao kobaikange asoko baroselie para elikwendekia okwororoba asobosombi ase epaleyo gotoka asensemeyo ya Nyagisai
asomo dano to bwate pale ito kero twikere ko rutwa etani kware amana mbago bwa misi asaka gamba na nyagoto no bato mutande pale ya to chandri kuru ya kalimetu no mwezi wa misi tabe tumoro mugaiga akabeka saya ya cha keto chimumbu no ya katika ko chimumba to tamiro ka bakwa na banda bato konye pale ba de ndoitorole bontu akole mege tanda ko pale kesa tole ko bori ga bambya pale geti onye moto tiko to korra ga si mutike twe korere nto no bato ko nya asu ikeire asu abekiro mona muno yo ikire muna gaiga bato begereti oyo to konye ndoko mo ka bokonere
muna wana nabo gole tune chipigipigi cyangumisire cyayeri mpaka bangina bara cyaturunganire bamntaba MCA baita bakoborie birogo na kitokora aba boda boda na rubarigiri omuchanga baretiro omoro mu bono bakwaranya maoka ba gosebona natalibo akyo bangina bamintonto umieti gosebona
Omorai bwenso muske Uhuru Kenyatta litikolia rero nigaikira naso musangerekano bwa balimu abanene bechi sukuru ujokonyogo koleka ase county ya Mombasa chinga kecho nigaira libagalia bene asoko bainyora abantu bonsi abo banyarite ko babagusirio bogima kubwatakana nebinyinyi bya COVID-19 aso mwaka wa 2020 na 2021 abo asibaire egeka asoko bainyora nigo boigo omugosangerekano yo onyarako bago kubwaterania abalimu abanene bechi sukuru ao angechiri bwikomi abo barenge gokwanera amangana ao nemero bagwenerete kobeka eligokine birengo byechisemi ase chiskuru bakorwa.
Great to see you all again today, and I'm pleased really after a 2-year break due to the COVID-19 pandemic we can finally once again meet in person. All of us, our education fraternity, the whole country has experienced widespread disruption in our lives during the last 2 years. And I am aware of the fact that even amongst this forum, you too have lost some of your members to the unfortunate coronavirus. I take this opportunity on my own behalf, on behalf of the government and people of Kenya, to convey to you all our heartfelt condolences, and to the families of members of this association, and in honor of all those from this association and the many other Kenyans who lost their lives during these 2 years of pandemic, I request all of you to be upstanding so that we observe a 1 minute of silence in their honor today.
Chinga kechecho nigo muraibwense airari bagaria bene na kwerera gatie mechando oborwere bwa COVID-19 bwanyartwa bokoreta sinseito ya Kenya amo nensemo ya borokiwa nigo nonya nabo Uhuru anyara kobaga kubatogia gati y'abarimu abo bagenderete gukora bya nonya oborwere bwa COVID-19 bwagenderete kobaroro nonya no kubwa chiguto ao asibirengo byo gukine chisemi imenseito ya Kenya.
We also widened education inequality and also led to an increase in teenage pregnancies as well as school dropout. Going forward, therefore, you, the teacher, must be a linchpin of the recovery process in this education sector as well as in the overall social economic recovery journey. We are counting on you, our teachers, to help our learners recover the learning losses incurred during the pandemic and to ensure that all those who have dropped out get back to school, rebuild momentum on the education sector reforms that stalled during the pandemic, and more importantly, build on lessons learned during the pandemic to make our education sector that much more resilient. I am confident that you do not only have the capacity, but I also believe the will to rise to this challenge. And I am confident because I do believe that our teachers have proved to be amongst the finest in the world, considering only just 3 examples of teachers who have put Kenya on the global map. And allow me to mention today, once again, Peter Tabichi, from Keriko Secondary School in Nakuru County, who emerged the winner of the Global Teacher Award in 2019. Mr. Eric Ademba, a teacher from Asumbi Girls Secondary School in Homa Bay County.
Ebirengerero ao nigo byarurwe kurwase ababwatani bekyama ya Jubilee aiga Kenya abwase nsemo yabo batogire getambokero gyo kwenanwa wechi direct ticket ocha sabarwanereri bebirogo ao ime yense ya Kenya nonya nabo nigo abaraibande kurwase kyame kyekyo banyariko baba komocha egetambokerekyo abwase abande babo kurwasorogongorwa gusi bakoragwa na Andrew Koroso amana baraibande bara asekyama ya Jubilee kurwa sorogongo rwagusi banyariko baba kuru birengerero byabo boigo iguru yenganiyo.
Nasema hii process imekuwa a sham because hata ungeona the panel ilikuwa na a solution ama na outcome yenye walikuwa nayo in mind. So us being there ilikuwa like by there a fallacy. Unaenda hapo unauliza swali ati unatoka which clan ama if you have ever vied. So which is the basis of electing a leader? Is it your vision ama if you have ever vied? Like they were given by then preference to former MCS if you have ever vied. Even if you have ever lost, wanakupatia opportunity more than us youths wenye ni newcomers. And I want to cry to the party and to the Jubilee and to Jubilee. Munasema nyinyi ni chama ambayo muna fight for youth and you want leaders wenye watashuda.
Hii party yetu ya Jubilee tunaipenda sana, lakini vile wanafanya nomination yao haiko na haki. Moso kama wanasimamia hizi nominations wanapenda relatives na connections, vile unakuwa na pesa mingi unapewa certificate. So atachapenda hii maneno. Moso sasa youths tunanyang'anya certificate makusudi kwa wasee wapewe. And if you are former MCS or you lose the last time election MCS, unapewa kibaumbele.
Oyo kurigie kergo kyobo governor ase county ya Siaya Nicholas Gumbo nigobona ene kirebuna noara sekeminane kyo gwetera sekyama kya United Democratic Movement UDM asate birebuna ntari no kwegena na chikubwa obacholyo bwo bolibosyo asaboiga mamochiri omo senator we county ya Siaya James Orengo uyoboigo kurigie keroge kyo kyobo governor ase county ya Siaya abwasate birebuna Orengo onyariko bagako basubura ya singa kentambe kulinde taranyara ko bagakwene kya magenderero asensemeyo ya Siaya.
We are here, myself, Engineer Nicholas Gumbo Wajonya, Charles Owino Wahongo, to appeal to Josiah to give us the seat of governor come 9th of August 2022. We are contesting under Azimio la Umoja, headed by Raila Amolo Odinga. We know that our competitors are misleading the people. Our competitors are misleading the people that our party does not belong to Azimio la Umoja. UDM is a member of Azimio la Umoja, headed by Governor Mandera Ali Roba. What we want is to compete on ideas. Our main competitor is our senator. Our senator has been in parliament since some of us were little kids. He has to tell the people of Siaya what he has done in the 42 years that he has been in parliament without producing even a poster. We want to tell our senator he is an activist, he is an agitator, but he cannot manage the county of Siaya, the resources of Siaya. The resources of Siaya will be managed by people who believe in the dreams of our great father Raila Amolo Odinga, who says
nawe kirabo mwanchu muligereria nonko butulira mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yobwenge kolende no cheko yanyora yo mana yanda mange asenchera yobwikira no gekuraga ense yamo yabona magoroba amono yo Minto Vincent Onyancha mbiamono asogochora kuligereria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomugusi ande mbiamono asogotobekali bagali tangani ase kobe station ya onambeyamo iyo gokorareria asumunu bweke gusi Chinsa emerongo ibiri na inye mbiamono asokobo mwegenwa mwanchu muligereria noganetie getaseni kya Ndizi TV kenyare koba na mbeyemo amatukonsi onyakoganetie boigo ekine chinga kitokoganetie egento wenete gokora elio gotobeka tunyare koba na mbeyemo chinga kichonsi nokolika elieta kuza ochase namba eyemo isano nemo esiro eyemo 1561 okolika elieta kuza otumegucha sena mbeyo eyemo isano nemo esiro eyemo na ande tuligwakanira kende gyonsi egeruiraneria mabolio na kubeki getaseni kyao kya Ndizi TV kegendere koba na mbeyemo igogo ikalia nigo kuboligwa a favorite free to air TV station eyuere Ndizi TV egero twakire kura yao ochiase enamba eyemo isano nemo esiro eyemo nabogo tokolikelieta Ndizi TV ekero kwa boligwe your favorite free to air TV station yani getaseni kya obwanchete keliyo korareria omono bweke gusi Chinsa emerongo ebiri nainye otome gochiase namba eyemo isano nemo esiro eyemo mancho muligereria kogokora igo elibwa ke kura yawo chigabo igo gwatobekire togendere gutangana una togendere gutangana iga tonyare ko batokumanywa ime na isiko yorogongo rwagusi abogotoma elieta kuza ochiase enamba 1561 ne elieta kuza mancho muligereria ni gokolika KUZA kuza egero nyara gutuma ekura yao gosowa ke ekura yao egero ogendera gututangania tobe na mbeya megetaseni kya obwanjete Ndizi TV getaseni kyoro chekera tanganire Ndizi TV nkeyo gento okora tume ekura yao utali wakanira kende gyonsi tebyo musani atebyo yonde toba abange tunyara ko batoko baba bui kitwabeira babui twensiamo twabeira babui abunongo ikero mwali obamangana Amayia nchedi ngonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.
Let's go. I'm Maylin Lee. I wear what I want, say what I want, 24/7, 365. I know.
Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV. Vono na bukura yubunchoria bwao. Ase television ya Ndizi TV. Chinka kichini chonsi.